Welcome to my science class. In this class, we'll solve sums from class 10 NCERT textbook. The sum says, compare the power used in the 2 ohm resistor in each of the following circuits. First one, a 6 volt battery in series with 1 ohm and 2 ohm resistors. Second one, a 4 volt battery in parallel with 12 ohm and 2 ohm resistors. So there are two circuits and we have to find out the power used in 2 ohm resistor in each of the circuits. So first we'll try to find in the first circuit. It is a 6 volt battery in series with 1 ohm and 2 ohm resistors. So this is the circuit diagram. The battery is 6 volt battery. And now we have to find out the power used in 2 ohm resistor. So to calculate power, what the formulas what we have got with us are, I'll write them here. P is equal to VI. This one formula with us to calculate the power. It's equal to I square R. Again, we have one more formula. V square by R. Now we will see which formula we can use and find out the power of the 2 ohm of this resistor, 2 ohm resistor. Now this is in series. So when the circuit is in series, the current is constant throughout. The current I is constant throughout. And V, the total voltage of the current of the circuit will be equal to V1 plus V2. The voltage is not same across both the resistors, but the current is same throughout the circuit. Wherever you measure, the current is same. So now suppose I use this formula, P is equal to VI. I have to find out the power of this one. So to find the power of this, I have to calculate the value of V for 2 ohms. And also I have to calculate the I. I is constant. So I have to calculate both V and I. So I'll go for this formula. P is equal to I square R. Here R value is there with us, 2 ohms. But only we have to calculate the I value. I is constant. To calculate I, we have to use the full voltage of the circuit and the full total resistance we have to use to calculate the I. So first we'll calculate the I. Potential difference. P is equal to 6 volts. Equivalent resistance of the two resistors. Equivalent. equivalent resistance. That is Rs, because they are in series. Rs is equal to 1 ohm plus 2 ohm is equal to 3 ohm. By using the two values, we will calculate the current in the circuit. So third one, current. Current I is equal to V by R. V by R. R is nothing but the total resistance. V by Rs in this case. This is from Ohm's law. So what is V? 6. 6 by 3 will get 2 amperes. So the current in this circuit is 2 amperes. So by using the resistance and the current, I can calculate the power. So the power used in 2 ohm resistor is equal to, the formula is P is equal to I square R. So what is I? I is, so this is I square R. That's equal to, I is 2 ohms, so 2 amperes. 2 square, what is R? R is 2. 2 square into 2, that is 4 into 2 equal to 8 watts. So in this circuit, the power used by the 2 ohm resistor is 8 watts. Now coming to the second circuit, a 4-volt battery in parallel with the 12 ohm and 2 ohm resistors. This is the diagram, circuit diagram. So there are two 12 volt and 12 ohms and 2 ohms. It is 4-volt battery. It's in parallel. When it's in parallel, the value of V is constant throughout. And I is not same. I total current in circuit is equal to I1, then flowing through this one, plus I2, I1 plus I2. So now I have to calculate the power of 2 ohm resistor. So I will see which formula is easy for me, convenient for me. Suppose I take this formula. V is constant, okay, value of V is there with us, 4 volt, and I should calculate I, because I is not same for both. I is the I for, in this case, the value of I, the current is not current, I should calculate. Suppose I use this formula, here also I have to calculate the I, value of I. I will use this formula, see, this formula also I can use. In this formula, value of V is with me, or also is, so directly I can use this formula to calculate the current through the power of this resistance. So second one, potential difference. Potential difference. V is equal to 4 volts. Resistance. R is equal to 2 amps, 2 ohms. Now I can calculate the current. So I have to calculate the power. Sorry, I should calculate the power. So power used in 2 ohm resistor is equal to P is equal to V square by R. So V square by R. What is V? V is 4. So 4 square, R is 2. 4 square is 16. 16 by 2, that is 8. 8 watts. So the power used in 2 ohm resistor in the second circuit is also 8 watts. They are asking you to compare the power used in both the cases. So the power used in both the cases is the same. That is, it is 8 watts. Therefore, the power used in both circuits, both circuits is equal. Please like, share and subscribe.